What I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this cordless electric scissors. If you're like me and you do a lot of unboxing or open boxes or just need to cut things, whether it's a box or cloth or something, this is what I recommend. And let's just go over the box. You know what? It's got a lithium battery built in, so it's rechargeable, it's powerful and efficient, and it's got USB-C charging. You know what? That's all that's on the outside of the box. You get a little set of instructions here, but you know what? That's what you guys have me for, is to show you how to use this. So you get a little hard shell case, open it up here. I've already taken it out and used it. They give you a spare cutting blade. You guys see that? A USB-C cable for charging it. It's a pretty light style design. It has a protective right here on the top. Now check this out. Does not work until you mash this button right here. When you mash that button, you get a light that comes on, an LED light right there. The blade cuts right there. And I do like that it protects the fingers and you can just run it along a table easily right there. To change this blade, you're going to get a screwdriver, unscrew that, pop that one off, put the new blade on, and you can get more blades for this if you dull this one up. But you know what? I've been using this thing and it's been holding up extremely well. Actually, let's take it out here. Let me cut some cloth and cut some cardboard. Let's see how well this thing cuts, because you know what? Technically, it's supposed to be a good cardboard cutter, which it is. Let's see what it does. Okay, so I've got these boxes here. Let's go ahead and put this thing to the test. Y'all see how well that thing cuts? Watch this. I'm putting no pressure on that at all. That works great on cardboard. Once you get both edges, there we go. Oh, look how easily that cut that. That cut this cloth like it was nothing. That's impressive. Now see, you gotta hold one side. Let me try to do it like I did it just a while ago. Watch this. Once it gets started, it just goes. Oh, you can use both hands. Now I'm going left-handed. I don't see any problems with these things at all. If you're looking for a good pair of electric scissors, then you know what? That won't break the bank. This is what I recommend. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on, the electric safety scissors. See you all next video.